Introducing the Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor. Zeus is the first ever tire monitor to be able to detect slow leaks with its advanced data mining technology. This proprietary algorithm called AccurateTemp analyzes pressure and temperature data over time and alerts you to any slow leaks that other tire monitoring systems would have missed.
Are you serious? Let's try it again. Nulaxy is most popular and professional brand for car FM transmitters in the world. It offers the ultimate solution. It plugs to the car lidar and detects the battery level of your car right away. You can connect your phone to the Nulaxy device through Bluetooth and adjust the frequency to sync with your car FM radio. You are ready for a safer trip. With one touch, you can start hands-free phone calls and another touch to hang it up. With Nulaxy, you can also play your favorite songs through your Bluetooth phone or from other sources based on the models. Nulaxy, driving you safer and better. The new KM22 comes with all features of previous versions. It is featured with 3D curve and 360 swiveling design. It comes with one USB charge port, one USB reading port, and so with power on-off button. Besides play mode, you can also choose EQ mode for the play. Nulaxy, driving you safer and better.
Introducing PURGGO. PURGGO is a German-engineered, patent-pending, and beautifully designed car air purifier and freshener made with 100% all-natural bamboo charcoal. It's for anyone who wants to transform their driving time into a naturally purified personal oasis. PURGGO absorbs and eliminates odor rather than masking it. Bamboo charcoal has been used in many Asian countries for thousands of years to purify both air and water. It's 4 times more porous than regular charcoal, and the pores trap odor particles as air passes through, which purifies the air in your car. Giving you a peace of mind is one of our major objectives, and we're proud to say PURGGO is 100% all-natural and non-toxic. It's fragrance and allergen-free, and asthma and allergy-friendly. The charcoal is safe even if ingested. PURGGO works 24/7 passively and lasts more than 365 days in your car. It's the world's longest-lasting car air freshener. For comparison, common brands last less than 45 days on average. Finally, PURGGO is responsibly made. Bamboo is one of the most renewable natural resources in the world and can grow as much as 40 feet in just a few months. Hemp, which is the fabric used on the outside, grows without pesticides and requires half the amount of water compared to cotton. When you're done with PURGGO, the bamboo charcoal inside can be used as a rich and natural fertilizer for your garden or plants.
Hi, my name is Chris. I'm here to introduce to you the brand new automatic wireless car charger by Andobil. One tap to close and one tap to release. And we're going to place it on the dashboard. Find your place, secure it in place.
I put the phone here and the mount automatically grips it.
So I select it, I look up, and it's telling me it's on 95% right now, and it's telling me I've got 11 minutes of fast charging time. Next, I've got iPhone 10 with a really hard case. It's the OtterBox. Okay, I'm going to adjust it at the bottom here, and I'm going to place it on top. Exactly the same. Adjust the feet, put it in. Wow, that's even more secure. See my GPS. This mount saves me a lot of trouble. I simply select on apps, find my destination, get it all set, press go, and the really good thing about this is I can turn it horizontally.